When we call our calculate sum function, it prints the value that is the sum of a and b. But what if we do not want to print the value and store it somewhere? Here we can use our return keyword to return this value from the function, and we can store it whenever we call the function in a variable. This will return the value of a plus b from the calculate sum function, and we can store it in a variable called result. Now, we can print the value of result whenever we like. Now, if we print the value of result, we can see it's the same value we were printing inside the function earlier. A thing to note is that whenever a function encounters return, it will terminate. We can also terminate a function using return without giving it any value as well.